How's it going, everybody? Matt Borey here once again. I'm at the Seminole Casino Coconut Creek. We're going to play some more Extra Draw Frenzy. We're doing Bonus Poker Deluxe, 50 cent. So it's going to be $30 a spin. We're bought in for $1,000, so let's see how this goes. It's 8-5 Bonus Poker Deluxe, so we'll see how it goes. See if I can turn the sound up on this. Nope, that's up all the way. Okay. All right, so we're betting one extra coin per hand to get this multiplier, or this feature. And the feature is if you get dealt a natural trips, natural 3 of a kind, it gives you between 11 and 15 extra hands. And this game is great when you get dealt 3 of a kind. It's not great when you don't get dealt it, because then you're just paying this extra money for nothing. Oh, there we go, 70. I'll take it. It's all 3 face cards because they are unsuited. Let's see here. There you go, that's not bad. Oh, I had to remember what game I'm playing. I've been playing so many different games today. So you keep both in Bonus Poker Deluxe. Sorry if the camera's a little shaky here. This is my first time filming today without my dad. Normally one of us is holding the camera and the other one is playing. Today I gotta do both because he's out on his cruise. Let's see. Ace King. Alrighty, dealt 3 of a kind would be nice here. No such luck though. Purple. Alrighty, let's see here. Oh, there we go. Extra draw frenzy. I was playing this earlier today and couldn't get a 4 of a kind to save my life. I got it twice. 25, that's the best we can do. It's 15 extra hands. 25 hands total. The original 10. And an extra 15. Let's see if we get any quads here. Full house. Oh, there's a quads. There we go. That's $200. Get another one. Come on, give us another one. One more. Well, one is better than none, so. Yeah, there we go. Let's go. I forgot I bought in for $1,000. I thought I was doing a lot better than I was. Well, that's $785. That's what, $350, and another 40 is $390. Can I get a water, please? Thank you. Okay, thank you. Sorry about that. I had to get a drink of water there. All this talking is taxing on the throat. Alright, let's see if we can do that again. Extra draw frenzy. It's just a pair of jack. I thought that was a dealt flush for a second. Looked a lot better than it was. quads out of nowhere. Look at that. There we go. That's another 200 bucks. Okay, let's see. We don't keep 3-card flushes in this game. Oops, that's not a king, that is. Oh, I saw the 2 9s. I thought we got it again. Oh, 0 for 10. It sucks. You can get either 5 or 40. I'd much prefer the 40, but we got all 5s, so hopefully next time. Queens. Oh, saw the 2 8s. Again, they tease you with that first. Oh, there's a full house, 2 of them, 3 of them. There we go. There we go. That's what I like to see. Don't keep 3-card flushes in this game, so. Tens, quads. Let's see quads again. No touch luck. Jacks. No improvement. Well, we improved to a few 2 pairs, but we didn't improve in the money department. 9s. Let's see. Okay, queen. That's it. Looks a lot better than it was. Sorry, double tap that there. Alright, let's see if we can just get another one of these extra draw frenzies and then get out of here a nice big winner. 4-4. Let's go. Full house. Okay, we'll take it. Almost made our money back. 2, 3, 4, 6. You don't keep inside straights. Oof. Again, teasing us with those 2 pairs at the front, or the first pair at the front. There's 2 full houses. We'll take that. I will take that. I'll also take this royal flush. Let's see. Come on. Again, all around this extra draw frenzy. Oh, I'll take the quads, though. Nice $200 right there. Teasing us once again with those pairs early. You know, I just see the first pair and I'm just, oh, so that's the worst part about this extra draw frenzy is technically we did just get dealt a 3 of a kind, but we also have a full house. So as you saw earlier, we won, what, 780 something, I think it was, on the bonus round. And now we're only getting 400. So even though a dealt full house is great, I think I would have preferred the extra draw frenzy. I mean, that was still 200 bucks, but you generally win a lot more than that in the bonus round, so. All right, there's a full house out of nowhere. There we go, that's a winner. I will always take a winner. The other cool thing is when you get the extra draw frenzy, it locks everything in for you, so you can't, don't have to worry about missing it. All right. We're going for a royal flush here over the low pair. 3-guard royal. Come on. We're 4 to it there and 4 to it there. If we could just combine those 2 hands together, that would have been nice. All right, come on. Ace. Alright, I'm either going to go down to 1,200 or until we get another multiplier, whichever comes first here. Or not a multiplier, a bonus round, the extra draw frenzy. Ace. Okay, come on. Oh. Gotta throw away the 10s again go for the royal. Come on. Oh. Look at that. How many times did we get forward to the royal? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We had forward to the royal on 5 of them. Couldn't clear it out. Ooh, there you go. There's a nice one next door. Come on. Full house. There's one. Man, imagine keeping 4 to the royal and getting 5 of them on 10 play. That would have been nice. Those were 4 to the royals and we cleared out on 5 of them. Alright, this might be the last hand here. Ugh. Saw the pair, thought we had it again. One full house. Come on. Keep us in the game. Queen. Not looking good for us here. Let's go. Come on, get us back in here. Full house. One more spin. Nope, 4s. Almost missed those there. Oh, quads. We're still in this, baby. Saved on the last hand. Alright. Ooh, that was $30 down the drain. That's no fun. 4. Can we just get this bonus again, please? Come on. Don't keep 3-card flushes in this game, so... Oof. Get us up to 1,500. We're going up to 1,500, down to 1,200, or until we get one more multiplier. Let's go. Come on. One full house. I'll take it. One full house is decent. Four to the royal over there again. It's teasing us all day with that 4 to the royal. You know what? We'll do 1,300. We'll play down to 1,300. We'll call it a day here if we don't get this multiplier. Come on. Well, we're still above 13. Come on. Come on. I think that's it. 1,300 on the dot. Look at that. We'll cash out. It's a sign. So, nice $300 win. Got a few nice hits there on that bonus feature. So, thanks for watching, guys, and good luck next time in the casinos.